Hello, beautiful. Welcome to Guided Affirmations by Within&Beyond. Before we go any further, I need you to do something. Put your phone on silent. Close your eyes if you can. Take a deep breath in and let it out. Feel your body relax. Here's the thing. These aren't just words you're about to hear. They're seeds. And your subconscious? It's the most fertile soil in the universe. So let's plant something beautiful today. For the next few minutes, just listen. Just feel. Today, we will go through positive affirmations to attract wealth, health, and abundance. Listen to these I AM affirmations once a day for 21 days in a row, and you will be amazed at how they help change your mind, your thoughts, and shape your reality. I will recite each statement, and you will repeat after me, either out loud or in your mind. Let's begin. I am healthy. I am strong. I am full of life. I am energized. I am vibrant. I am taking care of my body. I am wealthy. I am abundant. I am prosperous. I am financially free. I am building real wealth. I am smart with money. I am confident. I am self-assured. I am comfortable being me. I am proud of who I am. I am enough right now. I am worthy of everything I desire. I am successful. I am accomplished. I am achieving my goals. I am making things happen. I am a person of action. I am creating results. I am grateful. I am blessed. I am thankful for today. I am appreciating the small things. I am recognizing my progress. I am celebrating how far I've come. I am peaceful. I am calm. I am centered. I am grounded. I am steady. I am unshaken by external chaos. I am powerful. I am strong beyond measure. I am capable of incredible things. I am tapping into my potential. I am unleashing my greatness. I am becoming who I was meant to be. I am open. I am receptive. I am ready to receive. I am allowing good things in. I am saying yes to abundance. I am welcoming miracles into my life. I am disciplined. I am focused. I am consistent. I am showing up every day. I am doing the work. I am building momentum. I am loved. I am loving. I am kind to myself. I am treating myself with respect. I am my own best friend. I am worthy of love and belonging. I am safe. I am protected. I am guided by goodness. I am surrounded by love. I am destined for greatness. I am a beacon of light. I am rich in health. I am rich in wealth. I am rich in relationships. I am rich in experiences. I am rich in joy. I am living a rich, full life. I am fearless. I am courageous. I am brave. I am taking bold steps. I am facing my fears. I am growing through discomfort. I am wise. I am intuitive. I am trusting my gut. I am listening to my inner voice. I am making smart decisions. I am learning from everything. I am present. I am here now. I am fully alive in this moment. I am not dwelling on the past. I am not anxious about the future. I am living right here, right now. I am abundant. I am overflowing with blessings. I am surrounded by opportunities. I am attracting good things. I am a magnet for success. I am living in abundance. I am healthy in body. I am healthy in mind. I am healthy in spirit. I am whole. I am complete. I am balanced. I am motivated. I am driven. I am inspired. I am passionate about my life. I am excited to wake up. I am creating a life I love. I am worthy. I am deserving. I am good enough. I am valuable. I am important. I am significant. I am wealthy beyond my current reality. I am creating financial abundance. I am building generational wealth. I am making money work for me. I am investing in my future. I am securing my financial freedom. I am positive. I am optimistic. I am hopeful. I am seeing the good in situations. I am choosing better thoughts. I am rewiring my mind for success. I am creative. I am innovative. I am a problem solver. I am resourceful. I am finding new ways forward. I am adapting and evolving. I am resilient. I am tough. I am a survivor. I am bouncing back stronger. I am learning from setbacks. I am using challenges as fuel. I am patient with myself. I am kind to myself. I am forgiving myself. I am giving myself grace. I am understanding that growth takes time. I am trusting my journey. I am attracting prosperity. I am a money magnet. I am open to wealth from all sources. I am receiving unexpected income. I am financially blessed. I am living abundantly. I am taking action today. I am not waiting for perfect. I am starting where I am. I am using what I have. I am doing what I can. I am making progress right now. I am happy. I am joyful. I am content. I am satisfied with my life. I am finding beauty in ordinary moments. I am choosing happiness daily. I am strong mentally. I am strong physically. I am strong emotionally. I am strong spiritually. I am unbreakable. I am rising above. I am successful in my career. I am successful in my relationships. I am successful in my health. I am successful in my finances. I am successful in all areas. I am living a successful life. I am committed to growth. I am committed to improvement. I am committed to excellence. I am committed to my goals. I am committed to my dreams. I am committed to myself. I am releasing doubt. I am releasing fear. I am releasing negativity. I am releasing limitation. I am releasing what holds me back. I am making space for abundance. I am energized by life. I am excited about possibilities. I am enthusiastic about my future. I am eager to see what's next. I am ready for what's coming. I am prepared for my breakthrough. I am valuable to others. I am making a difference. I am contributing to the world. I am using my gifts. I am sharing my talents. I am leaving things better than I found them. I am healthy and getting healthier. I am wealthy and getting wealthier. I am happy and getting happier. I am strong and getting stronger. I am wise and getting wiser. I am better today than yesterday. I am protected. I am guided. I am supported. I am never alone. I am connected to something greater. I am part of the universe. I am magnetic. I am attractive. I am drawing good people to me. I am surrounded by positive energy. I am building amazing relationships. I am connected to the right people. I am in control of my life. I am the author of my story. I am writing my own narrative. I am creating my reality. I am directing my destiny. I am the master of my fate. I am prosperity. I am abundance. I am wealth. I am health. I am love. I am everything I seek. Take one deep breath. Open your eyes slowly. Carry this energy with you throughout your day.